Hey, look! It's a Lego Rumi, complete with her own derpy. Derpy's got a lot of energy. But it looks like he's running out. Don't worry, Dr. Zoe's here to help. It looks like we need to take a peek inside. If you ever wanted to know what Derpy's made of, guess these are the building blocks of life. But have no fear, Derpy won't be gone for long. We can always rebuild him, literally. That's one way to save face. Don't forget the ears. And while we're at it, let's make him a sussy too. But we can't forget about the original. Seal him up. After all, 2 Derpies are better than 1. Looks like Dr. Oren's got a few patients. Don't worry, we've got plenty of room for all of our sprunky friends. And by that, we mean plenty of jars. With all their energy, they can even charge your laptop. I wonder if they'll let me hook up my phone, too. Oh no! Dr. Orenstein's turned them all into creatures! And together, they make up Orenstein's monster! Look, it's even got bendable joints. Now that's what I call an action figure. Just the thing an action girl like Zoe wants.
Huh?
Guess Orenstein is afraid of his own creation. That's okay. Zoe's got some tropical fun planned. Too much pine in this pineapple? Wait a minute. Those are blocks! Even better! Ooh, what are you making? Another pineapple? Wait, no. It kind of looks like some kind of stand. Well, I guess we can show you the door. Get it? Wow, everything's really coming together. It's a juice stand with a whole line of flavors, complete with a pineapple crown on top. Calling all beachgoers. Anyone want to wet their whistle? It's Sandy Cheeks.
Hey!
And SpongeBob is her first customer. He wants pineapple juice. Guess they're not just for living in. But I don't think this one's for eating either. It's a toy. Still, it sure looks fun to play with. Either way, SpongeBob sure is one happy customer. Why don't we visit the minifig playground? Uh-oh, it looks like somebody's hurt. Looks like Wednesday and Thing are on the case. Clear off, everyone. We need to look for clues. But we could use some help.
Hey!
Like a K-pop singing demon hunter. We just need to clear things off. And maybe get a bigger shovel. Ooh, it's raining cats and dogs in here. Wait, is this a litter box? Oh, it's just a graveyard. Now this is just up Wednesday's alley. Just add some spiders and snakes for atmosphere. Of course, as every Addams knows, things don't always stay buried. Seriously, the gravedigger must make a killing around here. Come on, everybody. Let's give Wednesday a big hello. Uh-oh, when Wednesday looks scared, you know things are bad. Well, this is why we brought in a demon hunter. Okay, everyone, who's up for a little dance contest? You just know they'll be dancing to Golden next. Don't forget to water our old pal Groot. Uh-oh, you should never overwater your plants. Well, while he recovers, he won't mind if we play with his blocks. Make a new plant, and careful with the H2O this time. Some people have a green thumb. But by the looks of this tree, Zoe here has a whole green hand. Look, rising from the soil, it's Groot! Back and better than ever. They say music can help plants grow, and groove too. Ooh, Zoe, you've got a furry friend in your hair. Careful, now you've got it under your skin, or jacket. Well, at least it's gone, and it left you a present. A block? But I think the mouse is gonna regret being so generous. The block is just what we need for his famous enemy, a cat! Just add a tail, and soon it'll be time for Tom to meet Jerry. But where are they off to now? A jack-o'-lantern? Aw, who says a cat and mouse can't be friends?
Ooh.
Especially when it's filled with even more blocks. Everything sure is coming up blocks today. I wonder what they're gonna make next. A dog? No, wait, it's a pumpkin patch for the new Pals Playdate. Aw, these two are gonna be best friends forever. Zoe's earned a little cotton candy break. Blocks?
Wow.
Good thing you didn't eat it. You could have chipped a tooth. Oh, so that's what happened to the unicorns. Always knew we should have checked the candy floss. And he's got all the power of the rainbow. Look, he can even stand on top of one.
Wow.
And with the wave of a magic wand... Don't worry, folks. Zoe's got some sort of trick up her sleeve. Why don't we get our unicorn friend ready for the beach? We just need to make a few twists and turns. And soon, he's a brand new seahorse. Maybe a sea dragon? Save that for summer break. Let's go back to basics. An egg? I didn't mean to go that basic.
Wow.
Well, who wants omelets? Ooh, even better. Blocks! Don't worry, unicorn. You will rise from the ashes and become a beautiful peacock phoenix. Of course, we're gonna need a head on top. From the air to the sea, which magical animal is your favorite? Next up, let's visit Labubu Land. Oh no! Don't listen to Rose. There's room on the raft. But have no fear. Help is here, up in the air. In fact, we'll get all 4 of you out of here. Who says it's better down where it's wetter? Uh-oh, but your blue friend's looking pretty green. As in, they look like they could use a doctor. So that's just who you're going to see. Stat! This guy's never lost a Labubu, and he isn't gonna start. Breathe! Ah, good. You've made a full recovery, and your fur looks so shiny. I think you're cleared to check out. Your ride is here. And just in time. Your friends are going camping. But let's get with the times. Glamping is where it's at. It's always best to vacation in style. And what's more fashionable than a beach house? Well, one with all the trimmings, like a few rooftop accessories. Of course, we still need a few more things. You can't have a beach house without a beach. Add a palm tree and you'll spend your days in the shade. Come on, let's take it to the water. Add a lighthouse so the Labubus can find their way. Speaking of which, it's time for some Labubu leisure. Live out your dreams. Climb up a tree. Or hit the water in this stylish new boat. Who wouldn't want to go on a Labubu holiday? It's Zoe's favorite time of the day, snack time! Ah, ramyun. Always room for ramyun. And burgers. Also, hot dogs. Ooh, do you taste a special ingredient? A block? They really can make everything, can't they? But why should you settle for a simple sausage? When you could have the entire hot dog stand. Sometimes it's simply best to think inside of the bun. Why not have a nice space for people to sit? We've even hired a special sausage salesman. I hear his name is Abe Froman. Come on, everyone. Today's special, 2 dogs for the price of 2. Why don't you sit down, relax, and order more? Would you like fries with that? Ask about our combos. I've heard of a dog-eat-dog world, but do cats like hot dogs? Well, I think we've just got our answer. Bon appetit. Time for a snack break. It's Rumi's favorite, ramyun. Hey, no one said you could cut her off. Wow, a K-pop Demon Hunter's blind bag. Gotta love when noodles come with their own toppings. Back to the game. Solve this block puzzle before the clock runs out. Don't want to rush you, but time is not on your side. Ooh, looks like Rumi's got her own minifig mini-me. Okay, girls, time to sing. Or hunt demons, whichever comes first.